Hey everybody, welcome back to Diva Styles. In this video, my daughter is going to be making a custom candle for her principal at her school, and we are just using the Walmart brand candles, Mainstays. These are what, 2.8 inches by 5.8. This is what it looks like. We've already went and printed the image that we're going to be using to put on the candle. Now you guys, this is the first time I've done it this way, so I'm not sure if this tissue paper is going to come off. What gave me this idea was when I did my jacket, I adhered the fabric onto this, what is this, freezer paper. So that's the same thing I did with the tissue. Oh my god, and the tissue paper is coming right off. You know what, that is perfect. That's what we want. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to let her cut this out, and then I'll be right back. Go ahead.
Okay guys, so I finished cutting it out. So we're going to peel it off, place it on there.
Go ahead, you can peel it off now.
And then we're going to add the parchment paper.
Be careful, you got to be careful.
Because we lost the wax paper.
We lost it?
Yeah.
Just say it's misplaced.
It's misplaced.
Yeah, I like that better.
And then we're gonna heat it with our
heat gun. It's a heat gun. Yes, a heat gun. So now what she's gonna do? This is gonna,
the
yeah,
glitter.
This is gonna be. No, you're not gonna add no glitter. What you want to do is you want to put your wax paper over it. You want to go ahead and get your paper exactly where you want it. And then what I like to do is squeeze it like that. Make sure there are no wrinkles in this whatsoever, no wrinkles. And then I'm going to let her go ahead and apply the heat onto it, and I'm gonna be the one that's holding it. So yeah. Okay, now when you applied it, we done forgot to record the whole heat up process, y'all. So I apologize. But when you apply the heat to it, as you can see, like right there where it looks wet. That's what you want to do. You want to move the heat gun around until, you know, to the areas where it look wet, and then move on to another one and just keep going. So go ahead. I'm going to let you do the big reveal. And
what I do, just rip it off?
No, you don't. You do it slow.
Oh.
Why would you just rip it off like a band? Girl, the woman do your band-aid like that?
No.
Not that slow. My goodness. Oh, my Jesus.
That was fast.
What do you think?
I see a Missy right there.
Oh, what? A little spot right there.
We went over it.
It's fine. It's cute. You did good. And then she wants to add some glitter, so I'm going to put some Mod Podge at the bottom, and I'm going to let her bling this out. Alright, she done went on ahead and picked out a glitter of her choice. So what I'm going to do now is just go ahead and slap on.
As soon as you do that, do it just hurry up and add the glitter.
Hold on, let me just slap this on the bottom real quick, and then you can go ahead and just pour it on. I'm going to let you pour it on.
Like this.
Yeah, like that. I don't know what all the static was for, but yeah.
To make it dramatic.
Oh, dramatic effect. Okay, well, girl, you succeeded.
Like in my story, I put dun dun dun.
Dun dun dun.
Yep.
Alright, go ahead. What's wrong with you?
Yeah.
Oh my Lord, have mercy. Did we go all the way around yet?
Yep.
Oh my god, that's that! What you doing, weirdo?
I don't like that time. That was fun.
Alright. And then we're going to go ahead and let this dry, and then we're going to seal it with another coat of
more glitter.
No, we're not adding more glitter. Girl, we done with the glitter. We're just going to seal it to where the glitter don't fall off.
Like you do in my cup?
Yes. Then I'm going to seal it with another coat of Mod Podge. Alright, you guys, she's going to show you her finished product.
Ta-da!
No, that's the back.
Isn't it gorgeous?
No, Show them the whole thing. Okay, there you go. And then explain to them how you did the little tool.
I put a rubber band and then I swooped it under there, make sure it was even. Then I tied it and then I pulled it and I did it a bunch of times and I split the colors.
I don't know if y'all got that. It's pretty much just like 2 different rubber bands on here, and she crocheted and tied the tool around each one. That's pretty much it. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to ask, and we will see you guys later.
Bye!